You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words that are indeed homophones, meaning that they have the exact same pronunciation. What's that pronunciation? 8. 8 is the number, as you can see on your screen, spelling E-I-G-H-T. Yes, and that's pronounced 8. The G-H is silent, essentially. It's not there for anything regarding pronunciation. 8. The top word here is to eat. When you eat something, as in eating an apple or piece of chocolate, but in the past tense, that's the past tense of the verb to eat. 8. As in, I ate an apple this morning. 8. Both pronunciations, as you've heard, are correct and the same. 8. How to pronounce English pronunciation. 8. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.